Hello there, I'm doing this maths question on calculator paper, which is using this conversion graph here we've got. So what you can see here is you've got a conversion graph that changes inches to centimetres. So at the bottom you've got inches and at the side you've got centimetres. So they want us to change 74 centimetres into inches. So 74 centimetres, well there's 70 there. So just let me draw it. So 70 is in the middle there. Oh, no, it's hard to draw this. 70 is in the middle here. Okay, and 74 would be 2 up from there. So it would be there. Okay, so then I would go across with my ruler. You can draw a line if that helps. And then I would go straight down here along this line here. I would draw it in, but my pen is not great, and it's 1 before 30, so that makes it 29. Then we've got our next question that we have to answer here, and that is about conversion first of all, and then using the graph. So Daniel's height is 6 feet and 3 inches. So we need to do a calculation here to convert the 6 feet into inches so we can then look at the table. So 6 feet into inches means we need to multiply by 12. And this is on the calculator paper. So 6 times 12, if you don't already know, you can do on the calculator, is 72. And that's inches. We must also remember that we have these 3 extra, so that means we need to look up 75 inches. So this is where we have to go back to our table here. So 75 inches. Now, what you might see is that the bottom doesn't go up to 75, okay? So we could look up 50, let's say. There we've got 50 here. So we could look up what 50 is. And then we could look up what 25 is, because those two together make 75. So if you look up here, 50 is coming up to this point here. Yeah. So 50 is coming up to that point here. Now this is why this is an estimate, because it's only vague. I'm going to take it as it's the one above. Yeah, so remember this is going up in 2, so that's 122, 124, 126, 128. So I'm going to write that in 128. And then if I go back down and have a look about what 25 is, which is in the middle here, so that's going up there. And again, it's a bit of an estimate, so I'm looking at this point here. Remember, it's going up in 2, so we've got 62, 64. So here I have 64. So looking at my two numbers here, I have 128 and 64. So let's write those, 128 plus 64. Remember, you can use a calculator on this one, but this is quite possible without calculator. It is 192. Now your answer may be slightly different. Anything is acceptable from 186 to 195. I hope that helps. Bye.